Hello, welcome to the fourth lesson in this series. And here we will tell you how to use the console log function. And here, let's say if we don't use the alert and we use console log, which is a professional way of debugging and testing your JavaScript file. And if we use console log and then we refresh the page, we can see that there is no alert box. Where did this output goes? It is here. When you choose here, choose more tools, you will see a developers tool. And when you open the developers tool, you will see that in the console, this output has been here. So that's how to use the console log. And apart from console log, this is very important because, for example, if we make a mistake, for example, by calling a variable which has not been used, and if we are calling a variable which has not been used and we run it, we will have an error in the console telling us what the problem is. So this developer tool is very important. Thank you. Bye.